Come, jump on. Let's go for the road test. RS6. We'll see how it performs. Let's get this baby started. It does start. It ran out of fuel before. So the reason why we do road test is to make sure how the vehicle handles, performs, any audible noises, vibrations, gearbox performance selection, any limp modes. Any fault codes are after heavy acceleration. We try the vehicle in different modes, so a bit of squeaky noise. Icon can be regassed. So that's the purpose of it. So vibration from steering, anything can be noticed. Sometimes it could be costly to repair, and you don't want problems. Who wants problems? I don't want problems in my life. So that's why I help people to avoid problems. Certain things you have to be reasonable. Age, mileage consideration, every vehicle is different. Maintenance, not the maintenance, but I mean service history record. It's important. So let's take this baby for the road test. Let me just put in sport mode. Get it straight and dynamic. So I can feel them. Can feel the suspension setting in. Let's turn this off. Alright, put it back. Let's go. So we have suspension in a dynamic mode. The rear flaps, exhaust flaps are removed. So it always has this roaring sound, but also the fault codes are a bit present. And so we're going for 15-minute road test where we have 15 feet of frame. So you can hear it, the roaring noise. Which way we can go? This way. So we'll test this one out.